Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In this video, I will solve Edexcel A-Level Pure Maths Paper 2 from 11 June 2024. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. Now, question number 1 is y is equal to 4x cube minus 7x square plus 5x minus 10. In the A part, you have to find dy by dx in the first, and in the second you have to find d square y over dx square. It's mean double differentiation with respect to x. And in the B part, find x when d square y over dx square is equal to 0. So we will solve this question step by step. First of all, take y is equal to 4x cube minus 7x square plus 5x minus 10 as, then find dy by dx, differentiate this function with respect to x. So 4 multiply 3, it will become 12x square, 2 multiply 7, 14x plus 5. Then double differentiate this, again differentiate with respect to x. So this will be equal to 12 multiply 2 is 24 minus 14. Now you have to find the value of x. It's mean you will put d square y over dx square equal to 0, which implies that 24x minus 14 is equal to 0. Then 24x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 by 24. Now divide this. It will become 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we will get the value of x equal to the 7 by 12. So this will be the answer. Now I will solve question number 2. Now in question number 2, an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Find a12 value such that a1 is equal to 400 and d is equal to minus 10. So we will put the values in the formula. So a12 is equal to a1 is 400 plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1, and difference is minus 10. So this will be equal to 400, 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 into 10 is 110. So this is equal to 290. So its mean value of a12 is 290. Now you have to find in the B part. Now in the B part, you have to show that n square minus 81n plus 1620 is equal to 0, where Sn is equal to 8100 and small n is equal to capital N, and difference is minus 10 and a value is 400. So we will apply the formula of Sn, that is equal to the n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we will put all the values inside this. So small n is equal to capital N, it's mean this is equal to 8100 and this is n by 2. 2a means 400 multiply 2, that is 800. plus capital N minus 1 and difference is minus 10. So now 2 is multiplied by this one, or first we solve this further. It will become 8100 is equal to n by 2, 800 minus n minus 10n minus minus plus 10. Now you can take 10 as common from this. So 10n by 2, 80 minus n plus 1. So we will get 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 5n multiply 80 is 400, 5 multiply n is minus 5n, and then n multiply n, this n is also multiply, so 400n minus 5n square, 5 multiply 1 is plus 5, and here we have 8100. Now we will take 5 as common from this. So then again we have 400 plus 5, 405n, and minus 5n square, 8100. So after this step, 5 is common, minus 5 is common, so you will get n square minus 81 n, which is equal to 8100. Now we will divide minus 5 by this and get n square minus 81n is equal to 8100 divided by 5. So it is equal to 1620. So this is in minus, and in the last step we will write n square minus 81n plus 1620 is equal to 0. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve for C part. So in the C part, given is n square minus 81n plus 1620 is equal to 0, find n. So we will make the factors of this like factors of 1620 when they are multiplied give 1620 and when added give 81. So n square minus 36n and minus 45n. These are when added gives 81 and when multiply give 1620 and minus sign is used. अब take n is common, you will get n minus 36. Minus 45 is common, remaining is n minus 36. So the factors are n minus 36 and n minus 45. So you will get here two answers. N is equal to 36 and n is equal to 45. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the next question. Now the next question is 0.3 and minus 2 is given, and line in the equation y is equal to f of x and x belongs to R. Find the coordinates of the point at which P is mapped such that y is equal to f of x and you have to transform this equation like y is equal to f of x minus 2 and find the coordinates, and y is equal to f into 2 of x and y is equal to 3 of f of minus x plus 5. So for the first one, if we put these coordinates, we will get the point that is 5 and minus 2, and for the second, this will become 3 by 2 and minus 2. So for the third one, its value will be equal to the, so now the third point, 3 of f of minus x, negative of this function plus 5 is minus 3 and minus 1. So these are the answers. Now we will solve the next question. Now a sequence u1 u2 is given and defined as u of n plus 1 is equal to k of u1 minus 5, and the u1 value is given 6 and u3 value is given minus 1. You have to show that 6k square minus 5k minus 4 is equal to 0. So for this purpose we will write this as u of 1 plus 1 u of 2 is equal to k u2 u of 1, first we put n is equal to 1, so minus 5, and now the value of u1 is given 6, so 6 u1 minus 5. This is the value for u1 u2. Now u3 is equal to the k u2 minus, now we put n is equal to 2, k u2 minus 5. Now we will put the value of u2 in this, so k into u2 value is 6 u1 minus 5. So this is equal to the this is the value of u1, that is 6. So here we write 6k. So this is equal to the 6k square minus 5k, then minus 5. Now we will write this as 6k square minus 5k minus 4 so we can write this as minus 4 minus 1, and u3 value is also given in the question, that is 1, so put this is also 1, so which implies that 6k square minus 5k minus 4 is equal to, this is minus 1, so minus this will be plus, so this is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of k. Now to find k we will write 6k square minus 5k minus 4 is equal to 0. So the factor of this will be 2k plus 1, and the 3k minus 4 is equal to 0. After that, k is equal to minus 1 over 2 and 4 over 3. So k is greater than 0 and k is 4 over 3. So this is the value of k. Now we will add the three values of this. Now we will add this to find the total sum from r is equal to 1 to 3, u of 1 plus u of 2 plus u of 3. So u1 value will be 4 by 3. u1 value is 6 given, and u2 is equal to k u1 minus 5. So that will be equal to 6 into 4 over 3 minus 5. Then u3 is given minus 1. So we will get 6 plus 3 minus 1. So this is equal to the 8. So this will be the answer. Now the question is, for small value of theta such that sin theta approaches to theta, tan theta is also approaches to theta, and cos theta will be approaches to 1 minus theta square by 2. You have to find the value of this. So you can write theta tan 2 theta as equal to the theta minus 2 theta, because tan theta approaches to theta, so this will be equal to this, and divided by 1 minus cos 3 theta can be write as 1 minus 3 theta square by 2. So we will get theta minus 2 theta is equal to the 2 theta square. This 2 is multiplied by this. Then in the denominator we will have, by solving this, 9 theta square by 2. So theta square and theta square is cancelled out, and we have answer 4 by 9. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Best of luck for your exams.